quick, which is just going to be to take the twine off the back, add our business card, so we'll glue that on the back. It just helps customers to remember, hey, this is where you made your purchase from, in the event that you misplace the cards that come with the wreath. And same thing, we're going to take our pipe cleaners in white, kind of make them into a little U. We are going to attach this using 1/4 inch staples, just like that. I usually give them a twist. That way when I go to pull them, they don't, like, I'm not pulling one leg of my pipe cleaner, so I have one longer than the other. And the same on the opposite side. Here's that. Little twist. Go ahead and put those in. I just put the glue on the staples just as extra added security. Not that it needs it, but I have my hot glue gun on, so why not? We'll bring this back over, just like this. We'll go ahead and we'll add our sign, which is going to kind of be at an angle, kind of drawing it up closer to the top, pretty much right there. So I'm going to pull my deco mesh away, right where I am going to insert my sign, the pipe cleaners. And I try to bite off a pretty good chunk of the sign, the wires underneath. And I'm going to pull that not too tight and just one twist in case we need to move it. Okay. Up, moving my deco mesh. Put this down. Put it in my other pipe cleaner. Hear our neighbor working. The good neighbor. The good neighbor. The neighbor that's on our side. Because they're always like, how are your bees doing this year? I mean, we have mason bees, but we don't have like BBs. Like honeybee hives. I love our mason bees.